Ever wonder what makes your printer paper so smooth and white? It's all thanks to kaolin, a fine clay you might not have heard of. Today, we're taking you inside the Pendulum Mill, the machine that grinds kaolin into the perfect powder for paper and pulp production. Pendulum mills use a unique swinging motion to crush and grind kaolin particles. This gentle grinding process ensures the clay stays pure and fine, key for giving paper its glossy finish and bright white color. It's like a high-tech dance that turns rough clay into paper's best friend. Why does this matter? Without kaolin, paper would be rough, dull, and less durable. In pulp production, kaolin fills tiny gaps between fibers, making paper stronger and smoother. So every time you flip through a magazine or print a document, you're seeing Pendulum Mill magic at work. From mining to milling, kaolin goes through a precise journey to meet industry standards. The Pendulum Mill's efficiency means less waste and more consistent quality. It's a behind-the-scenes hero in creating the paper products we use every day. Next time you hold a piece of paper, remember the Pendulum Mill and kaolin's role. It's a small but vital part of how we communicate, learn, and create. Thanks for joining us. Stay curious about the tech that shapes our world.